My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Hazard. Hazard is the ransomware type infection. It is able to damage the files. My video though is only for educational purposes. Educational purposes. I am mentioning it correctly and clearly. I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you certain recommendation on how to protect the files. Before the ransomware attack, as you can clearly see, you are able to open your files without any complications. And this includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Hazard ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts files and damages the files, so definitely it is impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note titled as How to Back Files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. By the way, to download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software through this official website, combocleaner.com, install the application, and then start the program and begin researching your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner for the first time, the software is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on this start scan button in order to begin the research by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. You may go to Settings and you will find this Anti-Ransomware tab. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on this ransomware and ways to possibly recover your data. I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. So Combo Cleaner will not only remove the ransomware, but also will help you to protect your files from being damaged in the future.